Hello my dear students, I hope you all are doing good at your home. So kids, in this video we are going to do chapter number 1 again, that is large numbers. And you know kids, this is the last topic of this chapter, rounding numbers. But before that, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Alright? And one more thing, please mention your name, class and section in the comment box. Now let's move to rounding numbers. You must know the meaning of rounding. Now what is rounding? Rounding means to round off the number by keeping its value close to what it was. Now why do we round off the numbers? We round off the numbers to make it simpler and easier to use. So kids, in this chapter we have learnt up to thousands place, but here we are going to do rounding off to the nearest 10. For that we need to follow some rules, and the rule number 1 is rounding down. Now when it is done, when the digit is less than 5. Mentioned digit which is at tens place will remain same, and the digit which is at ones place, that is previous place digit, that will become 0. Here I have a trick for you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be considered as weak digits. Now I have written two examples for you. First is 12 and second is 34. Now you can see 2 is at ones place and in this 4 is at ones place, and these two digits are weak digits. Now rounding off to the nearest 10, for this we will look at the digit which is at ones place, which is its previous place digit. Now 2 will become 0, as we have learnt previous place digit which is at ones place will become 0, and the digit which is at tens place will remain same. Same for this example, 34. 4 will become 0 and 3 will become 3 only. It will remain same. So kids, this number will be rounded off to 10 and this number will be rounded off to 30. Alright. Now come to rule number 2, that is rounding up. Now when it is done, when the digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5. Again I have a trick for you. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now these digits will be considered as strong digits. Mentioned digit which is at tens place. Now what does it mean? Digit plus 1. We will just add 1 to tens place and the previous place digit, that is at ones place, will become 0. Now again I have written two examples for you. First is 25. Now you can see 5 is a strong digit. It has so much power that it has pushed the digit that is at tens place. And here we are adding 1 to this digit. By this it has become 3. And we will write 3 at tens place and this digit will become 0. Alright. Now come to 78. In this again 8 is a strong digit, so it has pushed up this digit and there is no power left, so it will become 0 and this will become 8, as we are adding this 1 to this 7. Alright. So kids, I hope this second rule is also clear to you. Kids, you can see I have taken 3 places here, ones, tens, hundreds. As we are doing rounding off to the nearest 10, so we don't care about the digit which is at hundreds place. It will remain same. Now, here 5 is at tens place and 2 is at ones place. So, do you remember? Is this a weak digit or a strong digit? Yes, you are right. This is a weak digit. So, it will become 0 and it will not change. It will remain same. So, its answer will be 650. Very good. Alright. Now come to next example, that is 865. Now in this, again we don't care about this digit, as this is at hundreds place and we are doing rounding off to the nearest 10. So we need to look at the digit which is at ones place. So is this weak digit or a strong digit? Yes, this is a strong digit. So we will write 8 here. Okay, and we will add 1 to this digit and it will become 7 and this will become 0, as we have to write the successor of this digit, that is 7. Now come to last example, 738. Now again this is a strong digit. So we will write this digit as it is and we will add 1 to this digit. This will become 4 and this will become 0. Very good. So kids, I hope this is clear to you. Now you have to do exercise 1D and mental maths given on page number 62 in book only, and soon I'll be giving you extra questions related to this topic. For that you need to check homework section on daily basis. Alright? Bye kids. Take care.